Hi, this is Jeff Hutchison with Aptus Marketing. And in talking to many of our advisors, what we're finding is we have a lot of advisors that have sold indexed annuities 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago that were purchased in low interest rate environments with low volatility on an extended bull run. And unfortunately, it's left them looking for a way out today because they're left with an indexed annuity that has no real opportunity for gains going forward and clients asking a lot of questions. Well, we do have access at Aptus Marketing to a new product with a 10% true bonus to your account value upfront, fully vested at death immediately, up to a 7% commission, and access to the actual S&P 500, not some volatility controlled index that's going to largely sit in cash, with a cap up to 9% right now. So reach out to us, let us show you what we can do to help you and your clients, and we'll put everybody in a better position and make for better conversations with your clients going forward.